Good day, beautiful people. My name is Hope, and I'm here to show you how to create the most beautiful pork belly ever, man.
Score the pork, making sure that you don't go deep into the meat, and then pour boiling water over just to make sure that you get a perfect crackle. Mix up a cup of cider vinegar and 10 ml of allspice. Pour over the pork fat, making sure it goes through the slits. Rub it with both your hands all over just to make sure that it reaches the meat. Put it into the fridge minimum 6 hours or overnight. Mix 3 bay leaves with 60 grams of butter. Rub it into the slits, making sure that it actually goes through the meat. Place it into a roasting pan at 200 degrees and roast for an hour. See how beautiful this crackle developed here. Place the pork belly over the vegetables and roast for another 30 minutes at 180 degrees.